In today's video, I'll show you how to use subscription plans in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to generate recurring revenue and give clients ongoing access to your services, subscription plans can be a great solution. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions section from the left side menu. Next, click on Subscriptions. This is where you can create and manage recurring plans for your clients. To create a new subscription, click New Subscription. Now enter the basic details, including the subscription name, price, and billing frequency. For example, you can charge clients weekly, monthly, or on another recurring schedule, depending on your business model. After that, decide what benefits subscribers will receive. This might include a certain number of appointments each billing cycle, discounted services, or exclusive access to specific offerings. Next, choose which appointment types are included in the subscription plan. If you're collecting payments online, make sure you have a payment processor such as Stripe or PayPal connected to your account. This allows recurring payments to be charged automatically. Once everything is configured, save the subscription plan and make it available for purchase. Now clients can subscribe directly through your booking page. After signing up, their payments will be processed automatically according to the billing schedule you selected. You can monitor active subscriptions, billing history, and subscriber information from the subscription section of your dashboard. If needed, you can update, pause, or cancel subscription plans based on your business requirements. And that's it. You've successfully set up and used subscription plans in Acuity Scheduling to create a recurring revenue stream for your business. And that's how you use subscription plans in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.